Rajvi, where is your national bird? Peacock. National bird of India. Peacock. Where is peacock? Show. Okay. Show. Okay. This is peacock. Okay. Now where is cockatoo? Cockatoo hai. Eagle. Eagle. And where is owl? किधर है owl? Owl देखा owl. ये owl है. Okay. And रुको. Now you tell me where is pigeon? This is pigeon. Okay. Now where is cuckoo? This is cuckoo. Very good. Where is swan? Black swan. Swan. This is black swan. Okay. Oh, macaw. Macaw का है macaw. Show. दिखाओ macaw किधर है? दिखाओ किधर है? Okay. Macaw. This is beautiful, Rajvi. Okay. This is peacock, national bird. Beautiful, Rajvi. And what is your name?